Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening shortcuts and confirming permissions so automations can run. This avoids interruptions later. Next, pick the app you want to replace and the image you'll use, save it to photos or files for quick access. Then create a new shortcut. Tap plus, add action, choose Open App and select the target app. Once done, tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen, and prepare to customize the icon and name using the stored image. Now you customize. Tap Add to Home Screen and press the icon thumbnail to choose photo or file, select your prepared image and position it, pinch or move to fit. Make sure you rename the shortcut exactly as the original app so it blends with your layout. Once the preview looks right, tap Add. The new icon appears on home screen. Make sure the Shortcuts action opens the real app and not a web link, because that ensures the same behavior as tapping the original. Finish by moving the new icon into place and hiding the original app icon in the app library or a folder to avoid duplicates. If tapping the shortcut fails to open the app, open Shortcuts, edit the Open App action and reselect the app. Sometimes reinstalling the app refreshes the mapping. Also make sure Shortcuts has permission to run and that you allowed Add to Home Screen. If problems persist, restart your iPhone to clear transient permission issues and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.